Hello everybody, welcome back. December 14th, getting almost time for Christmas here. I have taken 4 trades today. Positive on the day, I would say took some pretty good trades. So I'll go over those real quick. This is a bunch of news today, so got here really early and before work starts again. So this is what the chart looks like. I'm just going to go over these pretty quickly. So I got some other stuff to do. Okay, so this was actually a pre-market trade. The price action yesterday and today's pre-market was actually pretty darn good. I did make a bad behavior play. Excuse me. I saw first entry long, second entry long, and looking at this without hindsight, I did have this trend channel, so I was like, okay, this is actually a downtrend, so I should respect the downtrend. It already made a new high, so this was just a bad reading, and I didn't really think of it too hard, which I should have. I just saw a good signal bar, second entry long, didn't think of the actual context. So yeah, I took this, got stopped out, realized, oh, this is just a second entry. This is a failed second entry short, and this is a nice, really good second entry short too. First entry long, second entry long, failure, holding below EMA with downtrend, new highs already played out. Yeah, so then I just reversed the position, so 2 points, 2 points. So 2 point loss, 2 point win, so yeah, basically cancels out. But I would say my behavior for switching so fast and not getting upset is good. Then I saw this one. I saw, where are we here? I saw first entry long. So if you're counting from this high right here, and this is a hoagie pattern as well. So if you're not counting with the hoagie, you're not counting with the hoagie. But in this case, I am. So and I also saw this as support here. So that is something to keep in mind. I saw a first entry long pullback, downtrend, second entry long, and I realized this downtrend needs to make a new low. So 2 points for this. Now this one was definitely I would say pretty risky, but also not too bad. I mean, the first 5 minutes of the market, we're like 7 minutes in at the moment. I saw a clear first entry long pullback, second entry long, and then you actually have a hoagie here as well. Okay, so 2 hoagies, and I basically saw 2 legs down. This one was definitely, and also you could kind of just say there's a lower high. This is away from the EMA and everything like that, and it's near the support, but I figured we could get at least a new low with the sell-off since it failed to make a new high up here. So, just took the trade that I thought was best, and, ideally, I wish it was more near the EMA, but these downtrends move too when price moves, so you got to readjust them. But I saw that it needed a new low also, so for context. You get this really nice uptrend. You don't really get anywhere to get in. First entry long, second entry, or first entry short, second entry short, but you just don't get anywhere to get in here. I saw this one, first entry long, second entry long. I was tempted to take this because now I see 1, 2, and 3 touches, and the rest parameter was not too bad. Price, look at the ATR, it's at 2.5. Or 2.15. So I just saw a little congestion here. Didn't want to risk it. Could have easily turned up, went back down, and just got congested. Nonetheless, you got the second entry long win there if you took that. It's just risky trade to me. Then I saw first entry long, pullback, second entry long. I didn't take this one because it was just too right into support, so I skipped that one. And it leads to a nice micro bear channel. Get a nice bear flag. And on to, where's the fourth trade? Here we go. Okay, and then I just saw a textbook second entry short. So I have this bear trend, break, new low. Now you have to be careful here. I have this huge downtrend, so I was expecting at least a second leg down or a touch. Also, you can see how good this signal bar is, closing right on its low, smack dab right on the EMA. First entry short, pullback, second entry short. I just go for 1 point here. Now I did adjust it for 1 point because of the new low has been made, and I don't expect price to come all the way back down. I expect it to more chop because we're getting into 11 o'clock, so people are starting to take lunch and everything. So I just wanted to make sure I could get in, get out quick, low risk, and appropriately do it for the fourth trade of the day. Because if you saw, I would have to put the stop way above up here, which I really didn't want to do. And eventually you would have gotten your 2 points, but you would have sat through it for quite some time. and I saw this move. I needed to get in fast. The price action today has been moving extremely fast. So the second as the bar close, you just have to immediately get that stop order in, and it usually just gets filled within the first 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So you need to be quick, snappy with it, and that's what I was today with it. And I saw a really nice second entry short for that 1 point to finish it. And that's what I did for today. That's what it was looking like. This one, I think I just made a bad behavior on this first trade. Second trade was great. I think I completely saw the failed second entry long into it, and I reversed the position. This first entry long pullback, second entry long short as well, lower high. I don't think this was necessarily a bad trade. I just wish it was more near EMA, and this is definitely a little bit more risky. So I think it's a great signal bar. I do also think this needs to make a new low, which it does. It's just right into support, which it was, especially with this upward trend channel. So again, more risky trade. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that. And then as well as for the fourth trade, I think this was a good trade. And I also think going for 1 point was good. Maybe I could have also gone for 6 ticks instead of the 2 points or 1 point. But also with this new low being formed, you have to be discretionary sometimes. Okay, so that's it to wrap it up. Those were my thoughts. That's how I was trading for today. I'm done for today. Got to go to work. And 6-minute video, not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed my thought process and where it's at. Goal still stays the same. Trying to double the account. Once the account gets doubled, I will then post the results and overcoming the boom and bust cycle. So that's kind of where I'm at with trading right now. And just trying to trade good trades. That's all you can do. Alrighty, see you guys next time.